Welcome everyone. In this video class, I shall explain to you about this program that will print the string backwards, and that is using recursive function. Now, if I run this program that is been written here, okay, you will see that all it's asking is for a string. So if I enter any string like this, okay, and it will give you in the backwards. It will be printed in from the last character. Okay. Now, this does not work just with one string. You can have a space in between as well. Like we have something like computer science, space in between. It's going to do the same, right? Now, let me just explain how the entire coding of this program. Now, first of all, we were asking for a string, okay, and we put it inside this variable s, which also means that the word which we just entered just now, the word hello, will be inside, s will point to this particular string, right? Now, how does this word is stored? Okay, we have already done this, okay, with string last year, class 11. This recapitulation of that, you will see that we have indexes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, from the back, we have -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. And we have also done a program with our recursive function, how to do the same program that is printing backwards, right? Without using recursive function. That is, if you want to use -1, -2, -3, also you can print it, or you print from 0 to this 4, right? Now, after which, in this program, after we have entered or we got the string from the user, we then call the function, and the name of the function is backstr, right? And then we send that s. Now, what is this? What is this s? This is a word hello, right? So, which means this is same. Yes, it's just like you're writing something like this. Okay, means you have back str. Just writing in capital letter so that you see it. Okay, and s will have hello, right? Yeah, and after which, what we did was we call this function len. This is a library function which gives you the length of the string. So if length of s would mean length of hello. So which means it's just like you want to, it's just like writing in this way. Okay, length of hello. Yes, and then we say -1. But before we -1, let's just find out what is the total length of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we -1, it means this entire thing will be, instead of this, it means what are you sending is 4 actually. So basically what you're sending to the function is hello and 4, right? Then, which also means that this hello comes to this. Okay, change this to str. Okay. Okay. This means that word hello will come in str and that 4 will come in n. Then we check if n is greater than 0. Yes, 4 is greater than 0, right? So before that, you'll see that why are we giving -1? I hope you've understood why. Because the index always starts from 0, even though length hello will give you 5, but then you want to target till 4 because you know that the index starts from 0 and is going to end at 4 if it is 5. If it is 6, it's going to end at 5, 0 to 5. Okay, if it's 10, it's going to end till 9. So that, hence we are giving -1, right? Then after we check this, once we check that if it is greater than 0, then we are printing that. And what is in n? In n, we had 4, right? And which means here also will be 4. So str4 would mean O, right? So O will be printed, okay? calling the function, and then hence it is called as recursive because you're calling its own function, right? Calling itself. Yes, but when you're calling again, you're sending what? You're sending the word hello. Hello was there here, right? So let me just write here. So hello is here, okay, right? And so it is here also, right? And so it is also here, right? So if you're sending what? Hello again. And n minus 1 would mean 4 minus 1, which means you're sending what? 3 now. You're calling a function, but you're sending 3. Then you check if 3 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater. Then now your n will change to 3. So in 3, what do you have? You have L. So you'll print L. Again, you'll say n minus 1, which means 2. Now it will be 2, okay, instead of 3. And 2 is still greater than 0. So it's going to print that string in index 2. Okay, that is L again. And again, n minus 1 would mean 1, and which means this time it will be 1. 1 is still greater than 0. So again, you're printing 1. Okay, and 1 minus 1 now will be 0. So which means when 0 comes here, okay, that's when 0 is not greater than 0, right? So when 0 is not greater than 0, then it comes to the elif part. I could have given else, but why elif? Because I have a condition here. So whenever you have a condition, you always go for elif. And it's not necessary that you end your program always with else also, okay? So you can just end it there, okay? That is with elif. And in elif, you're saying if n is equal to 0, which is true right now, n has become 0. Then you're printing the index str 0, and that is the first one, that is h. That's how you get it in this way, okay, from the back. But to get it in that way, okay, you also have to include this n equal then 2. This is not a double quote, alright? This is a single quote that I'm writing. Let me just write again. It is a single quote. You see, we get another single. Right? Now, I will just show you if you don't give this, then what happens. Now, if I don't give this, we've already run that. Let me just paste it here somewhere. I need to make it so this will not come. Then, if I give the same word, hello, I'm giving small letter, okay, you see it's printing in separate line. Hence, if you want it to print in the same line as though it's printing from the back, then make sure to give this, that is n equal to 2 single quotes. Let me just run, okay, same word, hello, and